Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is my Project 3 for MDF1 Term 1401. Okay, I'm going to try and do this a little quicker than last week. Last week, I don't know how, I got about a 20-minute video, so I'm going to try and move right along. First thing here is my UI diagram. You could kind of see, I'll just run through it as I run through stuff. I'll show you right on my UI diagram. Your main UI should consist of UI tab control with two tabs. You could see locations and map right down here. Business data for each one. Business name, latitude, longitude must be stored in a custom object and accessed from that object. You could see I'm accessing it right here. I mean, I'll go through and show you my code in a bit. Should have an edit button. You can see this is my edit button, and it goes through all of the steps. When clicking on a business location, it should go to another view, which you click on it, goes right here. I have a title, subtitle, and latitude, longitude shows up. Map pin should be centered. You could see it dead center. I centered right on the on that latitude longitude line, and then I zoomed in on it. You could see the difference from this zoom point to this zoom point. Clicking on a pin, you can see right here I put the title and the subtitle, so it gives you the name of the place and the actual location. Return, I have a back button right here, comes back, returns back to the table view, and second screen is a full screen map. You can see the full screen map, and it will display a pin for all business locations. You can see it's displaying a pin for all business locations, and data is stored in a singleton, and you could see when you click on one of them it pops it up right here. So that's my UI diagram. I just went through all of the requirements. We'll close that. I'll actually give you a run real quick. Let's start this up so you could actually see my launch screen. You could see my logo there, which you could still see it right here. I built this myself, did a custom. You could see, kind of took the Google Maps theme like that, just change. I mean, I did all this. This is a custom logo. I built it myself, and then I did this for the Radio Shack, even though it's Radio Hack. You know, just kind of being a little funny, but built my own logo, and I actually built the logo that was in the splash screen that you just saw also, which you'll see it when I launch it over here. So here's my Radio Hack locations. You could go through, drops a pin, animates right on the location. You can see 900, this is Central Ave. I just wanted to show you, see it changed right there. Monroe Street, you can see there's Monroe Street right there. You go through just to show a couple. This is this one in Spring Meadows. This is Spring Meadows Shopping Center right here. So I could go through, and you saw that, oh, I mean, I'll show you again. Latitude, longitude, this is title, subtitle, centered. Go through my map, animate, drops, zoom levels a lot different, shows all the locations. Click on one of them, Navarre Road, right here, Secor. This one is Alexis right here, Jackman. Oh, no, okay. And here we are, Central Ave one right there. So I could come back here. I didn't show you in here. You could click on there also. Has it in there. Could edit, delete. Let's get enough to where only a couple pins will pop up right here. It clears out my pins. Oh, you saw that went to done right there. 4 pins, and you can see Maumee, Central Ave, Rossford, and Alexis. Central, Alexis, Rossford, and Maumee. So you can see all that's working. I set it up for my iPad also, and here goes my launch screen that you could see. Radio Hack, custom Radio Hack logo. You can see this is, I set it up for my iPad with a separate storyboard. I mean, we could just go through, take a look. Map's a lot bigger. You could see more of the side streets and stuff. Same here. Everything loads up. My map here loads up. You could click on the items right there, go through, delete, 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 done. You can see all those items are taken off. Here, click on that, brings that up, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and go over some of my code. Okay, so now you can see here's my storyboard right here for my iPhone. And you can see my iPhone, you know, full map, table view, custom cell, and this right here is my small details view, you know, with everything. So, not much to it. iPad, same thing, just made everything bigger, made it fit, work for the iPad a lot better. You could see app icons. So here's my custom app icon that I made. Here is my custom launch images. And then here is my custom locations tab icon. And I did a compass for my map icon. So there's all my icons. Let's go down. There, you went through the storyboard. Right here, first view controller. Pretty much just did my variables right on there. IB outlet table view, so it goes across to different views. Right here, this is where I actually built my custom object, stored it in data manager, made a variable for my data manager. Go through, and this is for my table editing, same stuff that we've done past couple weeks with the delete mode, editing, how many rows, or the row count. I did the custom cell. I like doing the custom cell to build this stuff. So I ran my custom cell again, and this goes over to my detail view. So it pretty much sends my entire array over to my detail view, which you can see locations. It is my my singleton, so my data manager. And this right here is my unwind button to go back. My detail page did all my variables right here. And this I fought with for a long time, getting my latitude and longitude depending on the current business selected. I was able to statically put it in there to where every one of them used the exact same thing, but getting it to go or to change depending on the current business, man, I fought with that and fought with it and fought with it. It was a great moment when I actually finally got it, and I figured out what it was. It was, I declared this before I declared this, and it was my location. I couldn't access any of this information because it was declared afterwards. So got it to work, happy, yay yay. Set my zoom level, centered it, you know, put all that, added my pin, custom animation, added my labels. Pretty much that's about it. Second view controller right here, those are my variables. went through, and this was pretty easy. It was pretty much the exact same thing as my detail view controller. The only difference is I was putting all of them, so I pretty much just looped through the data real quick just so we could bring them all up, and then drop my pins on the map, set up the custom animation, all that. Setting up my custom cell right here, my labels on it, first label, second label. It was my delegate for it, you know. This is my custom class right here, which is setting up for my to put all the information into it. So this is my default right here. Setting all that up. Here's my data manager, which is my singleton. Pretty much just setting that up in here to store my array, and setting up my map right here for my annotations. You know, I got my my title, subtitle, and location right there. So pretty much that's it. Hopefully my video is a little shorter this week, and good luck in week 4. I heard it's a doozy, so it's pretty hard. So we'll go ahead, or good luck to everyone. Thanks. Bye.